Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Magic of Math. Yesterday we discussed about a video in which we discussed about the natural numbers, whole numbers, prime and composite, even and odd numbers. Today I have come up with a very interesting geometrical property that we usually do in class 6th, that is the linear pair. What does the linear property state? The linear property states that if two angles are drawn on a straight line, then sum of angles is 180 degree. That is the linear pair property. Pair means there are two angles. So through this activity, we will explain the linear pair property. For this, you need just the A4 size colored sheets. First of all, you need a D to be photostat on a colorful sheet. You can easily go to a photostat shop and get this D photostat on a colorful sheet in this manner. Then next, you need two colored sheets of same color and you need to make a pocket. For making a pocket, take one full sheet and one half sheet of the same color and paste this sheet at the bottom and just paste the corners. You have to just paste the corners to make a pocket, like we have a pocket of a shirt. Then next, what you have to do is that you need to take a circle of cut of one color, and then you take a semicircle of different color and paste this semicircle on this, like this. We have two semicircles pasted together of different colors. On those two circles, you have to paste a pointer like this. This purple sheet works as a pointer. Just take a thin strip of a different colored sheet which will work as a pointer, and in between you have to mark this. You have to make this cutting like this. On one sheet you have to write angle A and on one side you have to write angle B. For your convenience, I have already made it to show you. Like this is the pocket I have made. This is the D which I got the photostat, and I have fixed a titch button in between like this at the back and at front. This is the titch button I have placed. Now what I will do is that I will take this circle and I will open this stitch button. It will not go from back because I have pasted a sellotape. I will put this circle in between and then I will close it with the stitch button. I will fix it. So my activity is ready to be displayed. Now for example, in this case my yellow portion is depicting angle A and green portion is depicting angle B. This angle A is pointing at 80 degree and angle B is pointing at 100 degree. So my yellow portion, that is angle A, is depicting 80 and angle B is depicting 100 degree. So 80 plus 100, that makes out to be 180. The best part of this model is that it is a moving model. It is not stagnant. It is not fixed. I can move it to any position. This is a moving model. I can move it. For example, this. Now my angle A is an acute angle which is pointing at 40 degree and angle B is an obtuse angle which is pointing at 140 degree. So 40 plus 140 again makes it angle 180 degree. So 40 plus 140, again a linear pair, that is 140. Now I will make angle A as obtuse and I will take it to, for example, 150. Now angle A is 150 and angle B is 30. So 150 plus 30 again makes it 180. So this is a very easy and interesting activity which all of you can make easily at home with the help of colorful sheets. So I hope that you all will make this activity and show it to your parents and to your teachers so that they also feel that our children are understanding the concepts of mathematics in a very well manner. Hope you understand this activity. So don't forget to like my page and comment in the comment section. Till then, stay home, stay safe.